Oh yeah. Here we go. This is just about the last ride of the year. It's sun's getting ready to come out. Got a few clouds in the skies. It's just about a little over 30 degrees this morning here in Castle Rock, Colorado. And inside the garage, let's get a reading here. What do we got? 51, so just above my threshold of 50 degrees to take the Ghia out. But it's supposed to snow tomorrow, and that'll be it for the Ghia. We'll put it back up on the rack for the winter and do that. But I've got a little tripod set up. I'm going to take you guys along for my morning commute. I hope you guys can see all right. Little cold start this morning. Take her just a second to warm up here. I've been trying to film this video for the last 2 weeks and the camera keeps turning off, or I get back and the video's pointed at the floor or the ceiling or out the window or something. I think I got the setup this morning. This is our last shot. So if we don't have this one, we don't have anything. Get the garage door closed here. You can tell it's cold. We'll get there. We'll let this is a Trackhawk Jeep that lives here. He just races that thing up and down the street. Oh, it's so annoying. Cool car. Today's our Halloween at the office, I guess. I'm not dressed up. I don't usually get into that kind of stuff. Oh, come on, buddy. That's all right. Getting a little extra warm-up time here. Here we go. Usually by the time I get to the corner here, it's running better. Just takes a little bit to warm up, nothing big. You'll see I'm not in the mountains. I'm not in the foothills. We are in the buttes is what they call these here. So the hills around me were volcanic. So you know, the volcanoes went off and then they eroded around. They weren't the seismic hills that were created out in the mountains just to my east. So they look a little different. They're made of I think it's called rhyolite, which kind of put Castle Rock on the map. And then a rhyolite mine that's just up here to our left called the Santa Fe Mining Butte. The Santa Fe Mining Company, but they have it on a butte up here. Kind of a small mine. I don't know how much production they got out of the mine, but that's what put Castle Rock on the map. It's a beautiful sunny day now. You can see, and you'll see the rock just in the distance maybe, but we'll get a little closer and you'll see it down the street as we get closer to my office. But that's the Santa Fe Mining Butte just off to our left. They're doing a ton of construction here. They've had I think the population of Castle Rock has almost doubled since I've been here. And it's going to continue increasing. So a lot of homes under construction here. We just lost all of our fall color. Little windstorm over the weekend. It was really beautiful here the last week or so when I was trying to film. Things just don't always work to plan. Surprise, surprise. Here we go. A little roundabout action here. Then we'll go across the ridge. I want to thank everybody who tuned in to my video 2 weeks ago. It was really great on the premiere, getting to chat with everybody. It was like having the old band back together. Just want to give everybody a shout out that did that. It was really good for me. That helped my soul, just kind of getting in contact with all the OG YouTube guys. So much fun to just chat it up with everybody and just do that virtual catch up, you know, knowing that everybody's okay and safe and all those kind of things. I do watch everybody's videos. I feel terrible that I don't always get to comment. I'm watching Darren build videos, or build engines. I'm always seen something. And right about the time I got just stupid busy at the office, and I feel terrible, but sometimes I just have to turn it off. You can see the rock will be coming up just on our left here. I got a good view of it. You guys should have a view here pretty quick. That's it. The Rock, the Castle Rock. They used to call it Pound Cake Rock. Charlie, Red Baron, he's been working on Christine lately, putting on some rocker panel skins. He had a video up the other day. Of course, I always see Tommy Shoe's videos. The Fireman. I saw Daryl, the Silver Horse, was on the chat. That was awesome. Grim Reaper was on there. Snow Crusher. Gosh, I know I always leave people out because I get to talking and can't remember everybody's names. But CT, I've been watching him work on his bug. He's got a Karmann Ghia he's working on, a couple Porsche 914s. Of course, Musty One now has a convertible Karmann Ghia that he's put a little bit of work into. I'm not sure if that thing's going to hit the scrap heap or not, but eat your heart out, Musty One. He's been awesome to watch. I've been watching him since day one, back when he started painting the bus. Gosh, that was a long time ago, guys. But who else has been out there active? Mr. Mach 1, Gary, been watching him do some videos. Joe Daddy's Garage. Gosh, the list just goes on. Street Rodder, Kenny, he does wonderful videos. Car shows. He does a wonderful job of just narrating the car shows and showing you things. Those are great videos to just tune in. If you're watching TV or something, just put up his hour-long video and just let it run. You'll see some cars in there that are just really cool to see out in Las Vegas. And they have almost like a weekly car show out there. It's really cool, but they have the weather for it, you know, so they do the cars and coffee thing. And then I've been watching Doug Bug. If you don't watch Doug Bug, that guy's building these Baja style bugs for the sand dunes and just going out and having fun. And just amazing to see what that guy does technically in his garage there. He's in here in Colorado somewhere. Yeah, shout out to Johnny Fire. I think he's down in Colorado Springs. Haven't seen Johnny in a long time. Elbows Malone, I think, is his YouTube channel, if I remember right. Gosh, yeah, all the car guys. I really miss seeing all your videos. John Kerry 1963 Jag, I'd love to take a ride in Betty and just kind of get an update there, how things are going out in California with you. And goodness, I'm sure there's more. The Rick Fix, are you going, buddy? Just go. Come on, you're halfway out in the street. But we'd love to catch up with the Rick Fix and see what he's up to. Canada Catalyst, holy cow, Jason, Toe Mater, all those guys, man, I miss you guys, seeing your videos. And then across the pond, we've got a couple folks there. 88 Katana, he was on the video the other day. Who else? Holy cow. But it'd be great, yeah, everybody just take a last ride of the summer. Get us some videos to watch. Let's see if anybody's in my parking spot today. Hey, I get my parking spot. Thank goodness. This guy. Get down. Go back in here and then I'll cut you guys off. Guys for coming along. I hope everybody's doing well. Take care, guys. Addendum from yesterday's video. This is Thursday, the day after. Yes, it did snow as predicted. This is Colorado life, getting snow in October, baby. But the Ghia will go up on the rack this weekend. Little teardrops falling from my eye, that's for sure. But this is where the magic happens out here in Colorado. Everybody, take care out there, okay?